Okie dokie, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. I have something very, very important to say.
Oh, what is it, Mario? Tell us, tell us.
Okie dokie, Toad. So, guys, we've been working 5 years on this channel. 5 years. And a while back, we hit 100,000 subscribers. Whoa!
Oh my God, baby Luigi, this is amazing. Did you hear that? Oh yeah, I heard that, baby Mario. Woohoo!
Oh my God, that's amazing! Did you hear that, Morton? 100,000 subscribers. That's even bigger than 50,000. Yeah. Are we gonna have a party? Another pool party?
You're damn right, Morton. All of us are gonna have a big, humongous party down here to celebrate all of us hitting 100,000 subscribers together. Well, then, what are we waiting for, Well Nine? Let's party!
Oh, you hear that, Larry? SpongeBob, guys, we can party now. Yeah, the wait's over. We finally hit 100,000 subscribers, dude.
Oh yeah, this is amazing, yeah. Patrick, don't you think this is amazing? Patrick,
Whoa! 100,000 subscribers! Whoa! Oh yeah, this is amazing, Buzz, and it's all thanks to all of us and the fans, and for all the work together we put into this channel for the past couple years. It's just amazing that it's gotten to this point. What are you crying about now? This is a happy moment.
No, I'm quite tears of joy. I'm so happy,
That makes no sense.
Okay, I know you really know what I'm here, baby, but happy. Me and everybody here just go way back, you know, when we first started the channel off. Even me and Wario go the farthest back way, and we've just been doing videos on, and it's just amazing to see that we're finally here, and I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited, because you're a part of this now too. Why aren't you dancing? I'm not really a kind of party person. I'm really shy. Oh, I know you're shy, baby. Just try dancing, let loose, Yeah.
I'm lonely. Can I be your dance partner?
Sorry, Wario. I'm already dancing with my girlfriend, Rosalina. But you can come join us if you want.
No, you know what? No. Just because you have a girlfriend doesn't mean you have to abandon me every 5 seconds.
Wario, I didn't abandon you every 5 seconds. I abandoned you every 2 seconds.
Aw, man, this party goes hard.
Merci.
Excuse me, is this the unpopular character section?
Oh, it sure is. Come on down, we're accepting anyone.
Whoa, thank you so much, that's amazing. Yo, Wally, come down here and get the bacon and chips. We're gonna fill this whole corner out with unpopular characters. Let's do this, man. Woo!
Oh, yeah. Oh, the unpopular character section. I wanna come. Woo, we are popular.
Oh, yeah, man, we're unpopular. Woohoo! You know, Lemmy, I'm not really a party person, but I'm really liking this.
Yeah, I feel you, Ludwig. I'm kind of a party person, but not really, but I never thought Roy was.
Oh yeah! Go fat man with sunglasses! Oh yeah! Go fat man with sunglasses! Oh yeah! You go fat man! Hey, you're the fat man, chump! I can bully a 30-year-old too! Oh my God! You shoved me! Yeah! What are you gonna do about it? I got bullied in high school! I'm having my instincts! Trauma! Meltdown! I'm gonna blow! What's going on, chump? Oh my God! Sorry, Roy. It was a natural instinct. I hate you, dude. I hate you. Oh, Luigi, this is going so great.
I know, right, Mario? And look at what my girlfriend's doing. She's reporting it too.
Oh my God. Hello, everyone. I'm Super Nathan here, and guess what? SuperMarioRichie just hit 100,000 subscribers, and we're celebrating with a party. And we're here with Bowser. What do you have to say about today's party?
I'm tired of dancing. Can we watch some TV? Or turn the music down?
No, we can't, you stupid turtle.
What? That's racist. That's racist. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I think I heard the doorbell. I'm gonna go get that, Luigi.
Okay, Mario, come back soon. Oh, this party goes hard, man. This is amazing.
Hey, Luigi, do you know where Mario went?
Oh, he went to go get the doorbell because they went. But oh, hey, while you're waiting for Mario, you want to dance like you and me?
Oh my God, Daisy, your boyfriend is cheating on you with me.
What? I was trying to be nice.
Okie dokie, time to get the door in.
Oh my God, Mario, this party is amazing. I love it so much.
Oh, thanks, Wendy. Speaking of party, why aren't you down there with the others?
I'm trying to get better reception upstairs to post some stuff on Instagram about the party.
Oh, but where's your phone? You don't even have your phone.
Oh, I lost my phone. It might be still downstairs.
Then go get it then.
Oh, okay, bye.
Stupid blonde. She doesn't even have any hair. Whatever.
Okay, I swear to God, if this guy doesn't answer the door, then I'm gonna take this for myself because it's probably a play button. It's really cool.
Mamma mia, you're not taking any packages. That's my package. Give it here, you stupid toad.
Look, sir, I'm really sorry. We're just taking a long time. And give me my package. Sorry.
here. Some people, but okie dokie, is this what I think it is? Mamma mia.
Oh my god, Luigi, why would you do this to me? Oh my god, I was trying to be nice.
Oh my god, everybody stop the music! Stop what you're doing and listen to me! Wait, what the? Oh my god, Junior, what did you do now? I didn't do anything! Oh wait, did one of my kids do something? Oh, you're in trouble. What? No, nobody did anything, guys, listen. We got something from YouTube.
Oh my god, Dad, hurry up and open it. Yeah, open it.
Okie dokie, everybody, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna open it and see what's in here. Mamma mia! We got a letter from the CEO of YouTube! Let's read it!
Nah, let's not read it, chump. I don't want to waste time. Let's look at the play button.
Wait, what?
Wait, y'all don't know what a play button is, chump?
No.
What the? I've been studying YouTube since like the olden days, man. Back when this channel started, dude, there's a play button in there.
Okie dokie, well that's pretty cool, but I don't know what that is yet, so I'm gonna look at the letter first because I think this is pretty cool.
Whatever, man. You read that stupid letter that's been copy and pasted onto a million other awards, and I'm gonna go use the bathroom. When I'm done, we're gonna see that play button.
Okay, whatever, Roy. I'm gonna read the letter anyways, you know, so everyone can read it, so okay. The letter says, YouTube, you have done something that the very few YouTube creators have accomplished. You have an astounding 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of what's really behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They have been inspired, challenged, or entertained. You have achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor. Yeah. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all the hard work with this Spielberg Creator Award, a small token of our astounding respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers might seem a long way from right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, sincerely, Susan Wojcinski, CEO of YouTube. That was beautiful. Alright, whatever, now that that's over with, let's see the play button, guys! Yeah, let's see it!
Yeah, I want to see the silver play button doohickey thing. Let's take a look at it.
Grandpa, it's called a play button.
Whatever, I want to look at it. I want to touch it.
Okie dokie, well, here goes nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to see you now. You see that, Mr. Fishy Fish? It's so shiny. Fishy Fish. Wow, what's an amazing award. I can't believe we got it together.
Yeah, guys, this is truly amazing. It'll look great in the office.
Oh, I was actually thinking of putting it somewhere else, Luigi. It's gonna be above my bed in my room. Yeah. And it's gonna be there like Super Mario Richie, the play button. It's gonna be amazing.
It doesn't make any sense, Bowser, because you're Bowser, and, you know, it has Mario's name on it, but
I don't care, it'll look amazing.
Okay, everyone, hold your damn horses, me and Wario have been doing this crap since the pioneer ages, on this YouTube channel, okay? We've been going on vacation to vacation, and we've been growing the channel, and I think we deserve to put the play button where we want to, and it's our play button,
Well, actually, no, Waluigi, me and Larry went to Chuck E. Cheese like a bunch of times, right, dude? Yeah, man, that's the most popular video on the channel. We deserve to put the play button where we want to. Yeah!
Hey, shut up, guys! I deserve the play button because I played Minecraft for 10 videos and I played with a fidget spinner. But guys, it shouldn't be about this. It should be about us celebrating together and, you know, finding a place to put it together where we can all enjoy it.
No, it should be exactly about this, because let me tell you a little story about World War II.
Let me right, everybody. This reward belongs to everybody down in this basement right now. So nobody should keep it to themselves and nobody should take it away from others because this belongs to everyone.
Well, no, it doesn't. Attack!
What the heck? Come here, stupid. You can't be number one. I'm always number one.
Screw you all. I've always wanted to do this to you, Dad. Well, I've always wanted to do this to you, son! That's illegal! No, you don't understand, Waluigi! It's Wario, and Waluigi is perspication!
Yeah, but Waluigi is just as important as you are, Wario!
You have a big mouth! Okay, Mr. PCB, I got the play button. We gotta go hide somewhere because it's going crazy down there. PCB!
No! Oh, you hear that?
fighting with your brother. This is gonna help your situation.
Okay, let me do this last one. Wait, what? Oh! Okay, radio, get up, hurry up. Listen to me, radio. We have to make an alliance.
An alliance? What do you mean?
Okay, listen, if you, me, and Rosalina team up, we can get the play button together and it'll be all ours, you understand?
That's a great idea.
Okay, let's go, guys, let's go.
Yo, Junior, let's do what Wario and Waluigi are doing. Wait, what are they doing, dude? They're forming an alliance. Okay, you, me, SpongeBob, Patrick, Boom Boom, Pom Pom, we can find a sword easy. Yeah, let's do this. All right, let's go. That sounds like a great idea. What are we doing? Shh, be quiet. We're forming an alliance and we're gonna find the play button.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to find the play button. Let's go.
Be quiet. Mamma mia, how can I let this go so wrong?
Don't worry, Mario. We'll get everything back in order. I'm on the play button crazy psychopath team. Or whatever's going on right now.
That's good to hear, Luigi. Okay, brother, we're gonna get everything back to normal.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. I hope they don't hurt us, Mr. Fishy Fish. Fishy Fish. Well, I know we have the play button. They're definitely gonna hurt us, but whatever. It looks so nice, doesn't it? Don't hurt me, Sonic, please.
Oh, what the heck? I'm not gonna hurt you. I thought you were at the party. What's going on?
Okay, so basically, we got the YouTube play button for the 100,000 subscribers, and then everyone just tried to claim it, and then I really wanted it in my room, so even though we all share the same freaking room, but I freaking just took it and I ran away, and everyone's going crazy, yeah. They're going mad out there, yeah.
What do you mean they're going mad?
Damn it, they're not hiding in here.
Oh, play button! Where are you? Come on out, play button. Come on.
Hey, you know what Morton is? I know you know where he is. You're a slave. Oh God, I see what you mean.
They can't be there. Oh, radio, turn it on. Wait, what is it? What I was saying? Right there. Get him. Oh, I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, you found him? Oh, I'm gonna get him.
Oh, this is getting out of hand, Mario. We gotta put an end to this.
Oh, yeah, let's go, Luigi.
Yeah.
Now give us the play button. It's my play button. Yeah. No, it's ours. No. Move out of the way, you fat kids. No. This play button belongs to me and Waluigi.
Oh, give it here, radio. Give it here.
Oh my God. I can see my face in it.
Okay, listen up, everyone.
Everybody stop what you're doing. What happened? Yeah, why do we have to stop? Why can't we keep going?
Because none of you understand. You all are just so selfish, and you don't understand that this play button doesn't belong to just one person. It belongs to all of us.
Okay, I just want all of you to listen to me for once, please. We all put so much work into this channel, just a tremendous amount of work throughout this 5 years. It wasn't just me, it wasn't just Luigi, it wasn't just Wario and Waluigi, it wasn't just Junior, it was all of us. We all worked so hard together. We threw a 50,000 subscriber party together. We threw the 5,000 subscriber party together. We threw many parties together, Halloween parties. We celebrated Christmas together. We did everything together to support this channel. It wasn't just one person, it wasn't just you, it was everybody, just little individual help to put into this big channel. It wasn't just one person, we all worked together.
Yeah, I agree with them, guys. I don't know what happened, I wasn't there, but this is nonsense. This award is for all of us, not just one person.
This is stupid. Yeah. This award is for all of us. Yeah. I feel so stupid. We all worked so hard for that. It doesn't matter whose it is, it's all of ours. Yeah, and I worked the most out of everyone here. Shut up, Piggy. You didn't do that. You're missing the point. I'm just joking, Dad. Oh my God, it was a joke. It was a joke at a really bad time. And I was wrong. I'm sorry, it was a bad joke. Why are you still looking at me?
You're so stupid, Wayne. You guys are so right. You know what? Since you guys said that and you guys are so right, you guys deserve this award more than us, but I think you guys should put the award where it belongs.
Hey, that's a good idea, Waluigi. I was gonna say that. Thank you, Waluigi. So, we're all good now? Yeah, let's party! Whoa, we still at 100,000 subscribers! We're all good now, yeah!
Eventually. We still put the award in the office.
Hello everyone, it's me, Mario, and I just want to thank you all so much for the 100,000 subscribers. You have no idea how much this means to us. We've been working so hard on this channel, but it's mostly thanks to you guys, because you're the people that support our videos, and we're just so full of gratitude, and we're just amazed that you guys are supporting us this much for us to make it to 100,000 subscribers, and it's just amazing. I love you all so much, and everyone else in the crew just loves you so much, and we're gonna keep uploading videos for you guys, and hopefully we can make it to 1 million subscribers in the near future. But other than that, we're still gonna make videos for you guys, and I hope you guys stick around for this amazing YouTube journey. Also, if you want to watch us open up the play button, then you can watch one of the videos up here. Anyways, peace out guys, and see you guys in the next video. Woohoo!